Why thumbnails matter. Thumbnails equals your first impression. If they're weak, nobody clicks. Your title pulls them in, but the thumbnail makes the scroll stop. And the best part, you don't need to be a designer to make great ones. So I'm going to show you guys how to quickly make some awesome YouTube thumbnails using just two tools. The first one is called Leonardo AI. So just go to app Leonardo AI in your browser, sign in with your Google account, and you're ready to go. Once you're in, you just click on this middle image tile because you want to make an image. And the first thing I want to choose is my model. You want to choose one that doesn't have a whole lot of filters on it. I like cinematic Kino, so we're going to click on that one. Once that's selected, you put in your prompts. At the top here, I have some samples of what I put in. The more detail you put in here, the better. And what's the most important is the negative prompts. You want to get rid of any blurring, watermarks, cropped heads, missing heads, distortion, duplicate faces, weird text overlays, and the such. On the left-hand side, I got cinematic selected, contrast is medium, generation mode is fast, image dimension 16 by 9 for YouTube, medium size of 720p, and I always set it to 4 images, so that way I can pick and choose what I want, or just grab them all. I could always figure out a way to use these. Under advanced settings, you always want to activate this negative prompt slider. That's very important to have that activated before you can put in these negative prompts up top. And then you just hit generate. When you're done, you get all your different samples here. You can just grab them and download them. Got some nice ones of a blonde model. Another one of a high-tech, more futuristic feel to this one. So just download those, and you're going to use the second tool that we're going to use today, which is Canva. Head over to Canva. Sign in with your Google account. Again, it's free to use. At the top, all you have to type in here is top 10 YouTube channel. Click that. You're going to get all these great samples here. What I did for my thumbnails, I just grabbed this one over here on the side here. I like this look of this one, so I grabbed this one. So select it, hit customize your template, opens up a new template for you, and from here we can just edit away. Of course, I don't like this model, so we're going to get rid of her. We want to use our own. Next thing I want to do is go in here to uploads. We're going to upload one of our files. You can see that I uploaded this file before. You just click on uploads, upload file, and then you upload one of your downloaded models from your Leonardo AI. Once she's in here, you can play around. First of all, we can see that some of these layers are on top and below this image that I just brought in. You can move these layers forward or backwards on your template here. Moments looks great. But I don't like how this underlying thing looks. So you just right click and you go to layer and you click on bring forward. That brings it up a level. There we go. Now it's behind that word. Do the same to these. Bring over shock up. You can't see it, so we're going to right click, layer, bring out to the front. We want this on top. Boom, shocking. Attention getter, right? Right click this next element here. We're going to bring this layer forward. And now it's behind this one. Do the same with these. We're going to right click it, bring layer to the front on this one. And do the same with this one. We're going to right click. And let's see here, we're going to bring, actually, let's just bring it over. And we're going to bring forward. All right, now that our layers are lined up, we can just go ahead and get this image looking the way we want it to look. We're going to bring our model out nice and big. Everyone's noticed lately that everyone's bringing these models to one side or the other of the screen. You don't want them in the center like this one is. We want her more or less cropped in. So what we're going to do here, bring our workspace in like that, something along those lines, a tiny bit. You just adjust all of your different parameters of how you want your fonts to look. This is all depending on the person's own personal style. We're not going to get into this. And another thing to note here in Canva is a very popular effect that's being used on all of these popular thumbnails are some effects. So you click on your font and you go up here to effects and bringing in something like this neon effect or glitch, even the echo one or outline, gives a little bit more flair and style to your font. We're going to leave this on the neon. Click this guy neon, click this guy neon. Everything looks fantastic. So when you're all done with your thumbnail, all you have to do is in the top right is click on share and then download your file. I always like to grab PNG files, but you could also select JPEGs if you like. Download the file and then you could apply it to your YouTube channel. And that's it. Thumbnail done, no Photoshop, no paid tools. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to our channel. I've got more fast, no fluff tutorials on the way. Thanks for watching.